Okay, welcome to the Guth Family Christmas Card 2009. You're coming with us to cut down our Christmas tree. Jennifer, hat. Okay. Look out, tree, here we come. Here we go. Okay, Jamie, yeah, just give it a push. It should be ready to go. Timber! Crunch. Okay. Fabulous.
Get the point.
Hang on, as long as we don't get a gust of wind.
Back up! Back up! Back up. It's on the Christmas tree. Hold on to the Christmas tree. We must stay seated all through. Yes, we must. Not me. Merry Christmas.
So, let's get this tree. Yeah, the children said this first one's too small. Really, we should have taken the first one, which was the right size.
This one has been shrunk. I can see the shrinkage.
Yeah, I know. It's shrunk a couple of times actually. The trouble is, I think being videoed sort of ruined my decision-making process a bit. I didn't stop and think what size would be the right size.
You just thought everything was 20 pounds heavier on television.
How are we going? Bit of gentleness, do you think? Okay, here.
Come on! Come on! Come on!
Okay, so it's still a bit tall, kids.